They like rock crevices that are so tight that they can actually feel the roof of the crevice on their back. You won't find them in very large crevices.
Right, and of course if it's very sunny you probably won't find very many either because it dries them out too much.
Now, this is a salamander that likes moisture and shade.
Moisture and shade. Well, we'll find some of that here. We just have to keep looking.
North Carolina has more salamander species than any other place in the world. Georgia is second. The number of species in North Carolina is around 60, I believe. And Georgia, I think, has about 49.
It's amazing.
And one of the reasons for that is, I think, the diversity of terrain that you find in North Carolina. We've got quite a number of species here in the mountain region that aren't found at the other end of the state.
Yep. Okay, we're here on the side of this rocky outcrop. It's pretty steep and kind of precarious up here. But Alan just found a Jordan salamander. It's one of the others that inhabit the rocky outcrops. And if you look back in this crack, there he is. And there he is. We're going to try to extract him from this crack so we can take a sample of his slime, because we're working to, well, Alan actually is collecting the slime from the salamanders and any amphibians we find to, where are you sending it, Alan?
Right now we're just storing it. We don't have a place yet to do the testing, the lab testing on it. But what we're looking for is Chytrid fungus, which is just devastating amphibian populations worldwide. It's wiped out many species in Central and South America, and it's in the States. It's worldwide now, probably transported by birds. Most recently it was found up in Graham County in North Carolina, and it's been found in counties at the other end of the state from here. So we're just testing these frogs and hoping that frogs and salamanders, and hoping that we won't find it.
Yes, that would be bad. Okay, I'm going to see if we can extract this guy now.
Well, this little rock here is in the way right now. But if I can get this wire back here and touch it there, now I start them all. Okay.
Here it comes.
He's a pretty small one.
Yep.
Do Papa. Got him. Oh, got him. Got him.
All right.
Okay, swab.
Just don't fall off the cliff. Okay, we're swabbing him.
Trying to get the belly, get it under his belly and under his legs. Okay, I think that'll do it. And we'll put him back in his home.
And there he goes. All right.
And we will put the swab in a little
Where did you go?
file, number it, document the species, date, time, location, all that stuff, and freeze it for when we eventually get around to testing these. And this is number 17 for me.
All right. Excellent data for the research to hopefully find that there is no Chytrid fungus here. That would be a very nice thing to know, because we need our amphibians. Let's go on to the next site and see what we can find.
Oh, we've got a great chick salamander here, also known as a Jordan's or Metcalf. Doesn't look very big. Don't think he can be extracted, but we'll give it a try. We can do the swabbing.
All right.
Okay, he was pretty cooperative.
Okay, and I got you a vial
I
here.
will let him go back in. There you go.
There he goes. And there's your vial.
I only got one more. I got many of them in the car, but I only brought 4.
Oh no.
I don't think we'll swab any more.
Yep. As we were coming up out of the woods here, we're heading up through the field and found those little pits on the ground. There's a real nice one here. And just real soft dirt. First we saw them and thought, well, what's that? Bear digging around looking for food, but then saw feathers. Turkey feathers. These are dusting pits for turkeys. The wild turkeys come in here and they throw this dust all over their body, get it up, work it up in their feathers, and it helps keep parasites away. It kind of chokes the parasites and then they fall off, things like ticks, mites and such. And that's really cool. We just happened to stumble on these dusting pits, and we know there's a lot of turkey activity around here. We've been seeing a lot of gobblers up here courting hens, and it's that time of year. Turkey dusting pit, really cool.